for Rumi. Ice creams like Kpop. The bigger, the better. Ah, a life in plastic is truly fantastic. Well, speak of the Barbie, and she shall appear. It's okay, Rumi. We can make our own dream house. But first, why don't we clean you up? There's a bit of a smell, not to mention all that ice cream on your face. We need to build a bath. Now, water and cardboard don't mix. But this is a dream house, so anything goes. Sure, it's a little strange taking a bath in confetti. But all that really matters is that you have a rubber ducky. See? It even floats. Well, sort of. Ah, nothing beats a nice clean face. Of course, now we'll need new clothes. We can't exactly go shopping, but I'm sure we can whip something up. Or better yet, draw something up. Now cut it out.
Wow.
All it needs is a little Huntrix magic. And voila! Next, your coat. Wow, purple is your color, Rumi. Sprunky School's getting some special guests. And it's time for them to make an entrance. Step aside, Saja boys. Huntrix has arrived. Looks like they have a few fans around here. And Oren's already got hearts in his eyes. Uh-oh, Pinky's giving Ratty some competition. Here, some Halloween cosplay should cheer you up. Or maybe a wintry look. Wait, hold on. You guys can make your own girl group. Now you'll be sure to help Pinky win Oren back. Or get a movie deal, whichever comes first. Aw, Oren noticed Pinky after all. That said, let's just hope some monsters don't attack the school in the next 5 seconds. Some moves, but let's take a peek at what makes her tick. Ooh, someone's got water beads on the brain. Guess she's Big Rumi's biggest and smallest fan. Some nanotape will help you share your thoughts with the world. And Zoe can help. We need a can for our fan. Use it to make a container and fill it with all those water beads. Seal it up nice and tight and save that tab for the top. Now give your new can a tight squeeze. Careful though, we don't want to smudge that face. Hey girls, still need something to do?
Yay!
We got a cool new fidget board for you. You can comb Mira's hair. Where is she anyway? Oh, she was hiding behind her bangs the whole time. And there's always room for accessories. Why don't you play with Derpy next? He's always a good time. The one time it's okay to stick your tongue out. You can knock this down. Just put it back up. Of course, nothing's more fun than Ramen. Besides, there's always room when it comes in fun size. Just add veggies and spicy seasoning. Of course, hot water really gets things cooking. Sure, this might be Rumi's favorite flavor. But aren't friends supposed to share everything? So why not play with what Zoe likes the most? Or something you all like, fresh Kpop. Start by opening up our wooden roller. Now lay down dried seaweed, rice, and your favorite fillings. Next, it's time to let the good times roll. And things don't get better than Kpop.
Wow.
This stuff is good to the last gulp.
Wow.
Saja Boy's burger. Would you like fries with that or ramen? Either way, a little nibble shouldn't hurt. Uh-oh, there's some unintended side effects. Looks like Abby's got some new competition.
Hey, look! It's a Lego Roomie, complete with her own derpy. Derpy's got a lot of energy. But it looks like he's running out. Don't worry, Dr. Zoe's here to help. It looks like we need to take a peek inside. If you ever wanted to know what Derpy's made of, guess these are the building blocks of life. But have no fear, Derpy won't be gone for long. We can always rebuild him, literally. That's one way to save face. Don't forget the ears. And while we're at it, let's make him a sussy too. But we can't forget about the original. Seal him up. After all, two Derpies are better. Rumi always sparkles from her head to her toes. Just make sure not to get in her way, Sprunkies. Oh, just imagine if she meant to do that. Pinky, hurry! The mini Sprunkies need your help. Never underestimate the power of some fresh air. Yeah, Pinky's gotta look out for each other. Now, I think we should get you guys out of this hallway. Strap in. Let's just hope the classroom's safe from them. Aw, I really wanted to read her essay. Don't worry, chocolates are always the answer. Plus a little paint job. And you know Derpy's always got your back. Now add a special Kpop Demon Hunter's keyboard inside. Why don't we invite Zoe over? Pretty soon, the gang's all here. Wow, do you think they'll put on a show? Look out, Pinky! A demon! Who you gonna call? The Kpop Demon Hunters! Come on, Rumi, drop this guy like your latest single. Think she's tough? Wait till she starts singing. Of course, she always works better with an audience. You gotta pay for a show, but she really liked that backpack. Don't worry, we can make you a new one. Just need some cardboard. Just make a nice sturdy box. Seal it up. And make like a kangaroo and add a pouch. Of course, we also want it personalized. I was thinking writing her name, but that works too. Either way, Pinky's one happy customer. Time to show it off. Uh-oh, looks like Derpy ate your homework. You think the teacher might believe that? 'Cause something tells me she's on the warpath. Hey, don't say I didn't warn you, Pinky. But she's nothing to be afraid of, especially when we've got cardboard to help us. Yes, cardboard. It can make all your dreams come true. And it looks like Rumi is her source of inspiration. Now she's here to help you clean up. Makes sense. She's got a real talent for taking out the trash. Careful, all that ink! There's bound to be a spill! Pinky might have something to help. An ear stick! With ears that big, you gotta keep them clean. Once again, our friendly neighborhood Derpy's here to help. Wrap the stick with some double-sided tape. Now we can stack up every Derpy of the rainbow. Try it out. It's your brand new multicolor pen. Start with traditional Derpy blue. Now try red. Come on, there's an entire rainbow of colors to explore. Remind me to add on a purple one next. Okay, we really need to look into a Derpy daycare. Silly kitty, go off and play with Sussy or something. These pencils are all chewed up, but we can fix that. Especially with our special Derpy pencil sharpener. Don't forget some space for all those loose shavings. How else will we get quarters from the shavings fairy? Let's see if Mini Derpy has as much bite as the original. He does! And keep those in a safe place. These Sprunkies sure have a lot of energy. Maybe too much. Is there a daycare for them? Well, we'll just have to make one then. Just need to lay down some parts. And soon, we'll be in the swing of things. 'Cause it's a swing set. Give Wenda a push, Oren. An idol must always be photo ready, even when it's not picture day. Slay. And I don't mean demons. Unfortunately, girls, this isn't photography class. It's okay. I'm sure you'll get it back in June. Besides, all you need's a matchbox. Sans matches. With a few adjustments, it can be a new camera. Just press a button and soon we'll have a whole selfie slideshow. And look, they even come out as stickers. I wonder if they're still saved on the cloud. Ooh, it's test day. Almost forgot this was a school. And by the looks of it, I think Pinky did too. Don't worry, Rumi's here to help. We just need scrapbook paper. Add a friendly Sprunky face on top. Now fold it up like a fan. Add a straw on top, and it's our old pal, Aqua. You can let her loose whenever you need her. Never forget, Rumi knows a thing or two about having fans.